Hey y'all, AJ from AJ's Fun Outside. Me, my son-in-law, and my granddaughter went out for a little fishing trip today. Here in North Alabama last night was very rough weather. We had tornadoes, severe thunderstorms. Today it's been a beautiful day, sun shining, clear. We thought we'd go out and try a little fishing. You'll see in the video we did manage 3 drum and 1 catfish. You get to meet my little granddaughter Jamie today on this video. A lot of fun today. This is what AJ's Fun Outside is all about. We didn't catch many fish, but we had a blast. And also, you might get to see a catfish snap down on AJ's finger a little bit. It was very interesting. Y'all, let me know what you think about the video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and just let me know what you think. And as always, remember, God bless you. Keep God first in all that we do. But get outside, have fun, and enjoy the great outdoors that God has provided for us. Thank you, and God bless. Hey everybody, this is AJ with AJ's Fun Outside. Back down here below Wheeler Dam today, but I just wanted to show y'all something here. This water could be very dangerous. Be very careful if you're going out here. They have got 35 spillways open and several of the generators running, of the turbines going. And I just want to show you what this water looks like before we start today. They have got it running today. With all these storms we had last night, tornadoes and stuff around. Beautiful day, but this water is rolling. Look at Papa. Wave. Wave. Hey. Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi, everybody. Wait, say hi.
Silly little girl. Look, y'all, this is what fun outside is all about. If we don't catch anything, this is fun outside. It's my granddaughter Jamie and her daddy. Wave, Jamie. Say hi, y'all. There's all sorts of fish out here. Look, God told us to be fishers of men, right?
That's right.
All kind of fish in the sea that you can throw after. Every one of them are fun to catch, to drag out of the sea of life. Caught them. Release them back out into the world to continue doing good. Get the nasty off your hands. Get the nasty off your hands after you eat. Yeah. Bro, man. Nasty skip back. drum kind of day, I reckon. Well, I am a drummer. It's a drum kind of day, I guess. This one looks like the one I caught the other day. Drum kind of day. When are you gonna catch a drum? I'm gonna come down here and stand by me if I can get one. Feels like another drum. Size of the others. Bigger.
That's a little bit bigger.
Not like the last couple. It's the day for drummers. Maybe the guitars are not. All right. Kitty cat of the day.
It's a nice one.
There's easy. What's this fish's name? I probably know what his name is. You know what his name is? So. Ow!
There's a hook there.
Mm-mm.
Did he bite you?
Mm-hmm. It wasn't the hook.
I got that on video.